So here I am looking at, I have all different country data. So I can start to, maybe explore different correlations. So let's look at, like, for example, population density versus, um, say, like agriculture, right? Okay, nothing really interesting there, or power consumption or services. Um, so this is, let's see, and then I can also scroll over time here. So this is pretty sophisticated. Um, this is quite a nice way to really dive into your data, especially early on. You can use something like this to kind of help aid in your data exploration process. Um, and this is showing multiple inputs, right? Um, and then finally, we have interactive layouts. So folks want to, sometimes they want to do, like, have different indirection, right? They actually just want to plot data and then somehow figure out, uh, the region of interest, somehow basically use these plots as a way to then segment data, right? So visually do that. We'll show how to do that in this fifth example here. And this is going to show how we do more advanced callbacks from the plots. Unfortunately, unfortunately, this is a thing that you can only do with Plotly. This is Dash being a tightly integrated with Plotly, that will probably be your best experience for using the service. So this, we're going to show how we can click on different data, and then get a callback, select, and all the different modalities we have available. So here we can hover on our data, we can click our data, we can select our data, or we can zoom on our data. We're going to see how all these. So right now we don't have anything, right? Well, we have nulls and auto size true. So if I hover, you can see this one changes down here. So let's see, this point index should change. So I can, for example, if I wanted to create a subgraph or some sort of interface that was giving me data based on where I was pointing my mouse. Can imagine, like, if I I can have a world map, and as I'm looking at the country data, it would select the country of interest. If I click, I get a click. I can zoom. I'll do zoom first. It shows up here. I can zoom, and it will show me the range I zoomed on. And then what are the indices of the members? I have 2 members in there. If I double click on the plot, I zoom out. This selection data is a bit different. I'm going to scroll up. I can do a box select or a lasso select. Lasso select is pretty fun. I can kind of draw this little box here, and you should see I got a curve number, and I got all these lasso points, and I selected data.